The voice of Islam is not for criminality. The voice of Islam is not for killing the innocent. When it comes to a war against terror, it is an attack on it. So the first thing that one should be this thing is that we should stop thinking in communal lines. Are with us in fight against terror much more than any Hindu organization. You tell me any Hindu organization which has issued a fatwa or a diktat or against terrorism. It is on the Ramlila ground with 50,000 Maulanas who passed a fatwa against international terrorism in 2012 and said that we are going to oppose it. They have offered total help.
Not a single individual. Let me make it clear. Let me make it very sound and profound and clear. Let me remove any kind of confusion and ambiguity that not a single person, not a single scholar, not a single leader, not a group of individuals, not any organization has an authority to declare jihad on the surface of earth or to declare warfare. If any individual or any group of individuals takes up arms and stand killing the people, maybe in enemy lands, that would be regarded as terrorism, and this cannot be regarded as jihad. So during the warfare, during war, Islam gives a message of peace. Islam does not allow the killing of non-combatants. Islam does not allow the killing of civilians, does not allow the killing of innocent people. If Islam does not permit you killing of women and children and non-combatant civilians, even in the battlefield and warfare, how does Islam permit you to commit suicide bombings or to commit terrorist acts? So we want to make it clear, Islam has no responsibility. If anybody is committing suicide attacks, he is a criminal. He is not representative of Islam. If anybody is committing any act of terrorism on any pretext, on any conditionality, that terrorist is a criminal. He is out of the ambit of Islam. He has no link with Prophet Muhammad, no link with Quran, and no link with Islam. Concluding my talk, I want to conclude. Look at the message of Islam given by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.